So do you guys have installed Power BI already?
No, I don't have installed. Can you tell me
Yeah,
where I should install?
yeah, from the I think if you are searching in your
Google.
what is the name? No, 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 not in Google. It's inbuilt, I think, with the Microsoft. Okay, so you can search in your Microsoft gallery. Okay, and then you can install.
I already have my Power
Yeah,
BI
it's a good. Yeah,
in
it's
my
good then.
system. Okay.
Just search in your Microsoft account. Okay, it will show you a Power BI desktop. Just install that. It's free. It's not means the Power BI has three versions: a free version, a pro version, and a premium version. We will work on free version. Okay, it has all the functionality that has the pro and premium, except with the storage capacity and uh, dashboarding capacity. Means if you just want to publish your report, you need that kind of account. Okay, you just want to publish, you just want to monitor, you just want to schedule your reports, everything. For that you need pro and premium account. Otherwise you can learn everything from the from basic Power BI account. Okay, so just search Shweta and let me know if you have any problem. Do it later. Just learn how the Power BI is working. Okay, and then in offline you can do the same. Okay, sharing my screen.
So I'm getting a standard mode and a personal mode. Uh, is there a
Mm,
difference?
You can use standard. Okay, means I think the Power BI desktop, it should show like Power BI desktop. Okay, this is Power BI desktop. Okay, so I'm starting one more time. Okay, means you are gonna going here, Power BI, search Power BI desktop. Okay, open it. This interface will show once you log in. Just clear it. Means you can close this interface, the pop-up window. Okay, this is your uh, this is your front page. Okay, so if you just want to know how to get the data,
Good morning,
there
sir.
is option. Good morning, Alok. Good morning. So just I'm just starting. Okay, so you didn't miss anything. Whenever you are starting your Power BI, okay, it will show like this. Okay, just close the pop-up window, go to the get data. Okay, and you have so many options. If you just want to export your import your Excel, Power BI data sets, data flows, data was SQL, analysis services, text, CSV. Mostly we will work on the text CSV. Okay, or Excel work. Okay, and when you are working with any company, they will provide you the a connection of the SQL Server or Oracle database. Anything means they can provide any source. Okay, so here I have already a Excel data set. Okay, so I'm just sharing that Excel data set here. and that is the sales data set. Superstore sales data. It will validate, okay. This is your all the table, whatever you just want to export. So the Excel has 6 sheets: table 1, table 2, table 3, orders, people, and return. I just want to import order, people, and return. Okay, and there is option to load and transform. Just do only load. Okay, you don't need to transform data here. Just load here. Okay, go to the load and load the data. Don't do anything, apply changes, discard changes. You don't require this thing. Just wait. It will load as per your internet speed. Okay, so this is your order and it has all these columns, and this is your people. This has 2 columns. This is your return, means there is 2 column. Okay, you can see all the things here. Your data, you can see your data here. Okay, my screen is visible. Hope my screen is visible. So this is how it's working. Okay, so if I just want to check all the my sheets, so just go to the transform data home button and transform this data. You have three sheets. Okay, you have 3 sheets, and you have 3 sheets. Okay, you have 3 sheets, and see, in this sheet you didn't find any kind of problem with that. Okay, but in table people, you see there are so many nulls. Okay, there are so many nulls. So go to the remove rows. Okay, go to the remove rows, remove blank rows. Okay, it will remove all the blanks. Okay, now see your column 1 and column 2, your header is column 1 and column 2, but it should be your person and reason. Okay, it shouldn't be column 1 and column 2. So for that you can use first here, see here, use first row as a header. Okay, still it's not. Okay, see, it still is column 1 and column 2. Press again. Now it's person and reason. Okay, so this is cleaned now, means you don't have any blank rows, and your column name is person and reason. That was required. Okay, now see, person is ABC. Okay, person is ABC means it's a string data, and reason is also ABC. It's a string data, and it's okay. Means it's automatically identify what kind of data it is. But if you just want to change your data, you can change from here. Okay, if you just want to change your data, you can change from here. Automatically, it will identify your data set. But if it's not, you can change your data type from here. Okay, so this is how it's working. Now go to the return. In return, the same problem is there. In return, the same problem is there. There are few null values. There are few null values, and your header is also not the same. Okay, means it should be order ID and return. So just remove blank rows. It's remove blank rows. Use first row as a header, order ID, and return. Now you have remove all the blank rows, and you rename your column also, means you assign what your column should be, what rows your column should be. Okay, now go to the close and apply. It will close and apply your data set. Okay, now your data has been modified. Okay, whatever modification you are doing, it's storing here. See, if you just want to do undo, whatever you are just doing, just see in people you do these things. You promoted headers, okay, and you changes the type, you remove the blank rows and promoted the headers. So whatever you have done, you can undo from here. Okay, if you are just removing, it will undo all those things. In same in returns, you promoted your headers 2 times and change your types, so it's showing everything here. Okay, now before learning Power BI, we should learn our we should learn first our all the visualization things. Okay, so in first step there is report view, this is data view, and this is the model view. Okay, in report view, if you just want to see, this is your first this is your first chart available here, that is stacked bar chart. What does it mean? Stacked bar chart means anyone knows about the stacked bar charts, or what kind of charts are there? Is if it's a bar chart, line chart, and anything, what kind of this? Can you tell me?
So it's like a bar chart, but on stack bar chart, each and every bin is stacked on top of each other instead of side by side.
Right, right. Instead of side by side, it's just calculating on the top of each other. Okay, means if I'm saying this is my orders. Okay, if I just want to know my profit by region. Okay, so always remember your numeric value will miss. This is the vertical bar chart. Okay, this is the horizontal bar chart. Okay, so just put here your profit in x-axis and your region in y-axis. Okay, see, see, what is your profit? This is your profit, and this is your bar chart. Okay, so all the values are showing here in this chart. Okay, means this is your vertical chart and showing this is your horizontal chart, the bar chart, and showing your region wise what was the profit in North Asia, Central Asia, Oceania, and Southeast Asia. What was the profit? It's showing in this graph. Okay, so this is your this is your bar chart. Okay, this the name is stacked bar chart. Okay, so now in second page. Okay, in second page, this is your second. There is no difference between stacked between both, but only the visualization was changed. It's the horizontal way, it's the vertical way. Okay, it's the horizontal way, it's the vertical way. Select it. On x-axis you just want to know the profit, and y-axis, that is the y-axis. Okay, in y-axis always means if the chart is vertical, always remember if the chart is vertical, in y-axis always put your values, means numerical values will go in y-axis if it's bar chart. Okay, means what, not it's bar chart, means in every chart always put your numbers in y-axis. Okay, this is the same. This is the same. There is no any difference between these two. This is the same. You are just changing the view. You are just changing the view. Okay. There is no difference between in these two charts. Okay. This is means sometimes you just want to beautify your result, beautify your visualization. This is just only those things. Okay. Now in third page. Okay. There is clustered bar chart. In clustered bar chart you can, okay, in clustered bar chart you can see if there is any something else, means if you just want to put your legends also. Okay, so it will show in that format. Suppose that I just want to know my cells, just want to know my cells, reason wise my cells. My cells varies. I just want to know my cells region wise. Okay. Next one. And so it's just showing it's not showing very good. I just want to know 1 minute. This is the overall cells. This is the overall cells in y-axis. In y-axis. Okay. This is the overall cells in x-axis. In y-axis, your region. Actually, this is the horizontal. Okay, this is your horizontal. Okay, and if you just want to put any kind of a legend here, okay, you just want to put any kind of legend here. It's not very beautiful, but still not the country. I just want to know the segment. See, this is your cluster chart. Okay, this is your cluster chart, and it's also showing your horizontally. Okay, means this is your Oceania, Southeast, North Asia, and Central Asia. What was your sum of cells? What was the sum of cells according to your segment? Means this is the consumer segment, this is the corporate segment, and this is the office segment. This is your clustered chart. What it means, overall cells, you have overall cells according to your segments. Means you have an option to put your legend here, to add your legend here as well. Okay, any issue in this graph? Krishna, hello, Shweta.
No.
This is the
No.
cluster chart. Okay. Yeah, this is the cluster
We can
chart. This is
add
the
year wise also in legend if we have.
year. Yeah, means if you can put your years also. Okay, but I don't think so. We have to extract the year from the order ID, from the order date. Okay, I will cover that part later. Okay, but currently you cannot do. Okay, this is not available right now. Okay, means you can do
If we
yearly.
have
You can do yearly.
many legends,
Yeah.
then how it will
Yeah,
show?
you have to, yeah, this is if you have many legends, suppose that you have many legends, suppose that this is one legend, just create one more cluster chart here. Okay, and whatever you have put there, just put here also. Means your cells in the x-axis and region in y-axis. Again, I think I'm doing it wrong. This is the cells in y-axis and region in x-axis, and if I'm saying ship mode, this is your ship mode. Means whatever you have, if you have it's saying that your ship mode is first class, same day, second class, and the standard
Mhm.
class. Okay, and your overall sales also. Okay,
Okay, okay.
so yeah, it's showing. Means if you just want to do the same thing in you have to create a different visualization. Okay, you cannot merge. Means if you're merging, the visualization will be this, it will not look good, and it will not tell any story. Okay, but this is telling any story. Okay, got it. So this is
Okay.
how your this is your cluster chart in which uh, 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 in cluster chart you can put your legends also. Okay, now move to the next visualization. This is 100% stacked bar and 100% stacked column chart. This is same thing. Okay. Means whatever you are just putting, it will show you in 100%. Okay. See, if I'm saying the same thing, if I'm saying in my x-axis the cells and y-axis the region. Okay. This is the same. There is no problem with that. Okay. There is no problem with that. It will also it will always it show in 100%. Okay. But there is one difference. Okay, it's in region wise, the sum of cell means it's just distributing the every cell in 100%. Okay, there is no any difference, but just just see the data labels. Okay, see, it's always the 100%. Okay, the reason why is your sum of cells is just showing what was the cell. Means if you are showing if any region has 1000 cell, in any region has 2000 cell, in any region has 4000 cell, it's just saying individually and putting all those things in 100%. It's not means we are usually not use these kind of visualization in our uh, data frame data set. Okay, so this is how your stacked bar is working. Okay, now this is the line chart. This is the line chart. Means the line chart, the line chart, your clustered chart, and your bar chart. These three are very important. Okay, these three are very important. Now, if I'm saying, suppose that I have, suppose that I'm just saying that I have some discount, I have some profit, I have some quantity. If I'm saying I have profit, if I have profit, okay, and just want to know is date wise the author ID or the date. I don't think so. It's work. Okay, it's working, but in sometimes the profit is not very good. Okay, I'm just changing. I'm just changing quarter, the month, and yearly. Okay, this is your yearly profit. The data frame has 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. Okay, see what was your profit in first year. Your profit was 83,031. In 2012 your profit was 89,410. In 2013 your profit was 1,23,103. So in line and bar are very similar, is just that it's showing in a form of line. Okay, just showing that in a form of line, and there is some visualization also. If you just want to show your data labels, you can show your data labels here. Okay, you can show your data labels here. Okay, if you just want to beautify, okay, you can beautify also. Suppose that you suppose that level intensity, this is your level intensity. Okay, now your values, suppose that you just want to increase your data size. See, now suppose that you just want to make it bold, you can make it bold. You can make it italic and underline it also. Okay, so you can beautify those things. Suppose that you just want to this color. Okay, it will change your color also. Suppose that if you just want to change your unit, you just want to none, whatever it will there it will show. Otherwise, automatically it will suggest you the colors also. The this unit also means okay. Background, if you just want to see some background, I will cover it later. Okay, means there are so many things. If you just want to label and just don't want to label it, you can label here. Okay, there is marker. I just want to mark like this. Okay, see, got it. So there is a pen. Now your format your visual, you can format the whole visualization from here. Okay, any doubt?
No.
So this is how it's working now. If I'm saying this is your area chart. Okay, if it's just similar, but it will show like it's covering the lower part. Suppose that if I'm saying what was the sale. Okay, if I'm saying what was the sale. Okay, and date wise. Okay, I'm just covered using this thing. See, your sale is just it's just covering the area, just highlighting the things. Okay, got it. There is no difference between these two. There is no difference between these two. But in this is there is and area covered from. Means they just coloring the whole area. Okay. This is a simple stacked chart. This is a line and a stacked column. See this line is stacked and line clustered and your ribbon. Okay. Suppose that I have this chart. Most of the time most of the time you are working on your line chart, your means most of the time you are working your bar chart, your cluster chart, your line chart, okay, and sometimes maps. Mostly your and pie chart, pie also, pie and circle also, pie and circle also. Most of the time you're working like this, okay, nothing else. So I will cover today the whole visualization. Means what graph is available in your Power BI. Okay. So this is your line and stacked column. It's nothing, just showing the lines also. Okay. I'm saying that in column X there is sale. In saying in your country in x-axis. Okay, country wise, this is your country wise. This is your country wise sum of sales. Now I'm saying show my sales in line. See, it's showing my sales in line here. There is line also. There is bar chart also. Both are available here just for the beautification. Okay, sometimes it's required also. If you just want to make some legends, you can make your legends also. Okay, just want data labels. Can data labels. All the data labels is showing. Okay, got it? So first one was your bar chart, okay, and it's showing like this, and means it's a vertical bar chart. Second one is a horizontal bar chart. Second one is the vertical bar chart. Third one is your cluster chart, horizontal and vertical both. Fourth one is your 100% is tagged column. Fifth one is your line chart. Sixth one is your area chart, this line with area. Seventh one is line and bar both. Okay, it's just working with the line and bar both. Okay, these are the same waterfall chart, and just trying to show the waterfall. This is the waterfall, not required so many times. Add category on x-axis, y-axis in the cells. Category is the see the category in category breakdown. Very good. Salesman breakdown. See, means it's just not showing something. It's just your whatever you're just. This is your technology, okay. And again means whatever that cell is showing here, okay, this it was 1357 technology sum of cells, furniture sum of cells, and sum of cells change. Okay, it's showing just whatever your cells is happening, okay, and how it's changing with your other category. It's just showing that. Okay, this is your furniture, and then it's also see here. It's not required so many times. So means this is a fall chart, a kind of what in what category our cells is down. Okay, in what category our cells is down is just showing that. Okay, some of cells category wise and sales wise, and whatever the cells is uh, the biggest cells and the lowest cells in in form of in in form of waterfall. Okay, now this is not required so many times. Okay, just this is the scatter chart and funnel chart. Funnel chart is same. Funnel chart and waterfall both are same. In funnel chart is just your sum of cells is so that I have category in category and values in cells. Okay, and tool C. Now it's saying कैटेगरी डाल सकते हैं क्या? Okay, so it's just showing. It's just this is the alternate of your waterfall. Whatever the cell just means. I just put my category here. In category there are three types of things: technology, furniture, and office supplies. It's just showing the same. This is the same. Your funnel chart is same means the technology has the highest sell. The furniture is after that the furniture has the highest sell, and the third one is the offer supplies. Okay, so it's showing how the sales is decreasing. Okay, your category how the cell is decreasing is showing like this. Okay, you can in tooltip you can show whatever you just want to show. This is uh, the highlight is category sum of cell percentage of cell first category. It's showing the value is showing because I put the category in tooltips. Okay, so this is how, if I'm just putting my discount here, I'm putting my discount here, it will show my discount also. See, sum of discount is 327.15, sum of discount is 335.49, and sum of discount is 974.29. Okay, got it? Any
If we
question?
want to show top five data, so we can use this one, right?
Right, right, right.
In since we have in decreasing mode.
Yeah, every time whatever the cell will be there, they will not be equal. Okay, so some will be some item will be a higher cell and some item will be the lower cell, and in that case you can use your funnel to show how the cell is moving. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Now the next one is your scatter chart. Scatter or filled, whatever you just want to know. This is the scatter chart. So I'm saying in x-axis, I just want to put reason. In y-axis, I just want to cells. Okay. And in values, I just want to put the cell. I cannot put this value here. In values, I just want to put category. What does it mean? Add data fields here. Can I put cells? It's completed. It's not required. Just I put means I just checking what kind of things I can put here. Okay, no problem. So in the scatter format, if I'm saying data labels, where is my data labels? The data labels is not available. Slider, legends, x-axis, y-axis. Okay. Marker, you can change the marker here. Okay. If you just want to change your marker, if you just want to change it. Okay. You can change your marker here. I don't know why it's not showing the data labels. Data labels should show there. Okay, Miss scatter chart is if you just want to know what was your cells and what was your reason. Okay, so in plot in bar chart there was a bar. Okay, in line chart there was a line. In scatter plot there is a point rather than bar and chart. The bar and line. Okay, there is no other difference between these three. This is the just method of visualization. Okay. So in this is the scatter plot. Okay, I will share the whole Power BI. Okay, means this PBIX format, whatever available. Okay, now if I'm saying in bar there is my pie chart. Okay, suppose that this is the pie chart. In pie chart, you have suppose that I just want to know my reason wise cells here also. Okay, so I just want to know my reason wise cells. See, it's showing that put your reason in legend and values in cells. Okay, values means your numbers and cells will be in the numbers, so cells is here. So in legend, okay, See, Oceania in orange. Oceania has 1.1 million. Southeast Asia in this color, purple color, I think. So purple 0.88 millions cell. Okay. See, this is your North Asia and 0.85. This is your Central Asia. This is means the distribution. You can show, this is another method of visualization, that is you're showing your categorical data in form of pie chart. Okay, mostly the categorical data and the numbers against them, you are showing them in form of pie chart. Okay, the pie chart, I think in pie chart and your circle, they both are same. There is no much difference between them. See, just the type of visualization is changed. Okay, there is no difference between them. This is a circle and it's just distributing the circle in four or five parts, and showing the visualization like this. And this is the pie chart, means inside the circle there are distribution. Okay, so both are same, just the way of visualization is different. Okay, so this is your pie chart and circle chart. This is the tree map and your funnel tree map and your waterfall. All three are same. This is your map. This is your map. If I'm saying reason wise, okay, reason wise, what was my cell? See, I think I have to change something. It's showing here something. Region Central Asia. See, if I'm zooming, it will show in when I'm zooming. Suppose that this is the Central Asia. Okay. See, this is the Central Asia and cell is 61.01. Okay. If there is no India, I think. In region there are only four things. Okay. This is Australia. In region there is Australia also. See, in Australia it's showing the cell is Oceania. Oceania is saying 72.68 foot. So this is how you can visualize your data over map. If you have the regions, if you have the lat long, you can also use your lat long. You can also use your region. Okay, it will detect. If I'm saying not the region wise, if I'm just want to know the country wise, this is your country. Okay, and country wise, yeah, see, country wise cell, country wise cell. Okay, so see now you can see here it's showing like country wise. See, it's showing for country India, the cell is 65.25. For country Pakistan, it's 16.155. For Afghanistan, it's 69. For Australia, it's 61. For your New Zealand, it's 12.816. So this is how you can visualize your data over map. Okay. Field map, I don't know. Gauge, I don't think so. What is the gauge? Gauge is also your kind of showing your data in form of, means whatever you show in your in your pie chart. This is also the same. There is just the maximum and minimum value. Okay, you have to put your means you have to decide what is your maximum value, what is your minimum value, and then your value will be there. Okay, this is means this data set is not good for this, but still I'm trying. Your value cell maximum value. So it's showing your sum of cell is this 3.59 millions. Okay. If I'm just categorizing my overall cell is 4 million, it will just go to the 100. It will 3 million it will cross the whole chart. Okay. But I didn't find here the maximum value and the minimum value. For this, I have to create some measure, and with that measure, I will put here. Okay, so I will cover it later. Okay, just remember I have to cover the gauge. Okay, now there is card. There is card. This is your card. Okay, in this card, if you just want to show a single value here, if you just want to show a single value here, okay, suppose that just want to know the sum of profit. Okay, this is your sum of profit. If I just want to know what is my overall sale, so this is your overall sale. This is your profit. This is your overall sale. If I just want to know, means whatever the single value, whatever there is single value, you can show them in your this format, means in your card. It's important. This is very important. You are often, when you are using your dashboard, you will use this often. Okay. Anyone have worked on Power BI before and use this feature? Have used this feature?
Ankur, I'm already working on Power BI, but this feature I was not used single.
Okay, means yeah, means sometimes if you are just working on, if you just want to create a dashboard, so
Yeah,
in dashboard,
we
so
can
many times you
highlight.
just required, yeah, you can highlight the whole profit was this and the whole sales was this. You can highlight. Okay, this is very good feature to show your
Okay.
things. Means so many times you are using slicer, so many times you are using something. Okay, so I'm just telling you the slicer also here. Okay, now what is the slicer? See. Slicer is a kind of filter. Okay, this is not the whole filter. This is a kind of filter. I must say this is a kind of filter. Suppose that suppose that uh, I have sum of profit and I have sum of sales, but I just want to know the year country wise the profit and country wise sale. The whole country is here. Now I just want to know the what is the sum of profit in Afghanistan and sum of sale in Afghanistan. See, it's changing. Okay, if you just want to see in China, it's changing. If you just want to know in Hong Kong, it's changing. If you are pressing control and clicking on more than one, it will show like this. Got it? So this is the slicer. If you just want to use your slicer to show something and show particular thing or show something else, you can, this whatever filter you just want to apply on dashboard, you can use the slicer. There is one more thing. There is a filter also. Okay, there is the whole filter option also, but still we are using slicer. This is a question of interview. Means in interview, usually people ask question why we are using slicer when we have the filter. Okay, so filter is only we can use the filter in report format. Whatever the page is available, we are saying them report. Okay, got it? This is the report. The filter is working only on report. If I'm applying any filter here, if I'm applying any filter here, okay, it will only work on report, individual report. But when I just want to know, when I'm publishing the dashboard, okay, there is option of publish. You can publish the whole dashboard. When you are publishing the dashboard, you cannot use the filter anymore. At that time, this slicer can be a part of dashboard, and at that time people can see all the things. The people can see all the things. Okay, got it? Okay, moving forward, this is your table. In table, this is just something you are just putting your two or three columns together. Just suppose that I have country and I have I country and I have set. Okay, so this is showing the country wise all the cells. Got it? This is showing country-wise the whole shell, whatever the shell is available. I'm just showing here. This is how it's working. If but there is one more, that is your matrix. In matrix, you can choose your columns also. Means there is only row. Means you can choose your rows, columns, everything, values, rows, and columns, everything. Suppose that I just want to show the country. Okay, I just want to show the countries and cells. Okay, suppose that I just want to show my country and sales, but I just also want to know my profit, not the profit. I just also want to know in column category. See, now it's showing all the category wise. It's showing all the category wise. The whole cell means country wise cell and country and category wise. Category is also available. Here only country and sum of cell is available. In Afghanistan, there is sum of cell 216673. But in Afghanistan, in furniture, there is 11285, in office supplies 3925, in technology 662.57, and total is 21673.32. 21673.32. You can do the bifurcation also here. Got it? Any confusion between the table and matrix?
No.
Okay, so this is how your all the visualization available in your Power BI desktop. Also, if you just want to know, if you just want to means there are some time you have to create some kind of custom charts. For that, there is means you can upload that chart. Okay, means get more visuals, import a visual from a file. There is an also option. If you just want to create a custom charts, you can also create the custom charts. Okay, so any confusion between all these visualization, why we are using the visualization, and it how I can take the data? There is one more thing. If I'm saying, I just want to know, this is the vertical, this the chart name is your stacked bar chart. Okay, I'm saying this stacked bar chart, this is the stacked column chart. If I just want to know, I want to put a text here. Okay, just want to put a text here. It's not moving, but still, if you just want to put a text here, you can write a text like this is stacked bar chart. Okay, you can increase the size. You can increase the size. You can make it bold also. You increase the size, you can make it bold also. Okay, just increase the size. Too much. Stacked bar chart. So stacked. This is your stacked bar chart. Got it? You can rename, or means you can so many times you require some text, right? So for that you can do your stacked bar chart here. Okay, these are all the visualization available, and you can do some beautification with the help of your Power BI. Okay, now I'm just taking the same example and showing some formatting. So suppose that you just want to show your data labels. See, this is your data labels. Now go to the data labels. If you just want to put your inside your the labels, you can put the labels inside. Okay, if you just want to put whatever the values is available, if you just want to increase the size, you can increase the size. You can make it italic. Okay, I think I told you earlier. You can make it black also. Whatever the value is available, you can do like this. Okay, mostly auto is good. Okay, mostly auto is good. Now if you just want to change your background, see, this is I when I just at the time of dashboard, I will let you know. This is, see, it's changing. Okay, this is just only for the beautification and nothing else. Sometimes it's required, sometimes it's required also. Now it's bar. Suppose that you just want to change the bar color. See, the whole bar color has been changed. Okay, if you just want to change bar color like this, you just want to change North Asia to this color, this color, this color, this color. Whatever this is, you can customize your color also. So the whole thing is changed now. Means you can see all the colors changing, and this is the black and this is the black, that's why it's not showing here. Okay, now there is a spacing also. If you just want to change the spacing, you can change the spacing. Okay, it's not showing here. See, in bar graph, see, there is a space, it's changing the spacing. Okay, whatever the thing you just want to show, you can show here. Got it? It's required for the beautification. When you're publishing a dashboard, a beautiful dashboard is required. Okay, at the time of showing something, a beautiful dashboard is required. So there is so many customization available in Power BI, and you can use them for every, means it's not only for the stacked bar chart, it's available for all the charts. Okay, so you can go in data, format your visuals, and you can format your visuals. Okay, you can turn off and on your tooltips also. If you just want to know whatever, you just want to write anything, you can also, usually you required your visuals. Okay, in x-axis and y-axis, if you just want to change your x-axis, y-axis, you can change this. Okay, toward the title, you just want to, you can show the title only, you can show the title. Okay, so these are available, so you can go to some tutorials, you can watch also videos for the beautification, how you can beautify your results. Okay, so these are the basic things we are using to beautify all this stuff. Okay, whatever the visualization we have done, we are using this. Okay, so moving forward, we did something in a graph. Suppose that I have some of cells. Okay, and I just want to know what are my top 10 cells. I just want to know what are my top 10 cells. In this, in particular, this visualization, I just want to know what is my top 10 cells. So you can do here, you can go to your, suppose that if I'm saying country, okay, top 10, okay, see, I just want to know top 10. And what you just want to know, I just want to know myself. Okay, apply filter. See, this is your top 10. Got it? If you just want to know what is your top 10 or top 5, you just want to know top 5. You just want to know top 5. Apply here. This is not available in this visualization only. This is available in every visualization. Suppose that I did one more. Suppose that I have this, and this is not very beautiful. I think this is not very beautiful, and this is not showing very good look. So go to the country. You just want to know my, there are three filters in basic filter. There are three filters: advanced filter, basic filtering, and top end. In basic filtering, you can just filter this like this. Okay, you can just filter like this. Okay, but if you just want to know your advanced filtering, you can show this is the only your uh, this is the Excel, means in Excel you just see it does not contain a starts with, is not blank, is blank. Okay, so if you just want to do like this, you can do also this. And if you just want to do your top end, so go to the top end, means in country you just want to filter top end, so right the top end. Okay, there is top bottom also, you can also use the top bottom, but you just want to top 10 top 10. So I just want to know the five, only five. And what, this is the cells, this is the cells I just want to cells. So I'm value, I'm just putting here, applying the filter. See, your top five sum of cells, your top five sum of cells is shown. Okay, in lines. Okay, in data labels. Okay, in lines, if you just want to show your data labels, you can show your data labels. Okay, sometimes values are available and you just don't want to show them. Okay, you can just do some R&D and you can clear them. Okay, So this is how your top five is working here. See, your top five is working here. It's sum of cells. This is not limited to this. If you just want to, now there is one more thing. There is one more thing. Suppose that I have, suppose that I have one more same the same table. Just want to know the country wise cells. Okay. Now I just want to know. I'm just removing the filter. I just clear the filter. Okay. Now it has the all data. This table has all the data. Okay. And also this has all the data, means there is no filtering. Now there, see, filter on this page, filter is has some means if you just want to know, there are so many things. Filter on this page and filter on pages, all pages. Okay. If I'm saying filter on this, there are three things: filter on this visual, filter on this page, okay, and filter on all pages. If I'm doing filter on this visual, if I'm doing filter on this visual, okay, I just want to filter the top 10 cells on this visual. Okay, it will only affect this visual only. Okay, now there is one more filter on this page. Suppose that there is one more filter on this page. So my country, okay, filter on this page, go to the at filtering only. Means you can do, okay, got it. Go to the filter on this page. Now I just want to do this country. Where is country? I don't know why it's not showing the top 10. It should show top 10 also. Yes. No, it's filtering. I don't know why it's not showing, but there are three options. In the first option, filter on this page means whatever the values available, whatever the charts available here, the filter will work on all pages, all the visualization in this visualization and in this visualization at once. Okay. It should it should show country. I don't know why it's not showing the top 10. See, I just want to know Afghanistan. Okay. Okay. This is Afghanistan. Afghanistan. Okay. And contains India. Okay. Now apply filter. There is no cells. Why there is no cells? Okay, I will cover tomorrow. Okay. It should show here means what was the means what I was trying to say, that if filter on this visual, work on the particular visual. filter on this page, work on the whole page, and filter on all pages, works on the all pages. Okay, I will cover tomorrow. Okay. Hello.
Fine.
So Power BI will be going on for next week also, like Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah. Yes. The whole Power BI will be there. I will cover the 1 minute.